Hi guys, my name is Manny Rataul. Today we're going to talk about 5 iPhone accessories you should purchase for your iPhone and why there's a special one that no one really talks about, but we'll talk about that later into the video. Now, all these accessories work with all variants of iPhones and some of them even work for Android phones. I'll have a link in the description for more information. We're going to start things off with a 2-in-1 that many of you guys will love. If you ever wanted an iPhone stand for your desk, well, now you can get one that also serves as a wireless charger. It's the Inu wireless charger, and it is very sleek and very compact, and it goes in any setting, whether it's at home or in the office. Now, one of the main advantages of this accessory is that it supports 15-watt fast charging, and it works on both iPhones and Androids. You can find this on Amazon for under $20. And guys, if you want to see more Mac and iPhone related accessory videos, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the new content I post on a weekly basis. Now, arguably the most important accessory you can have for your iPhone is anything that you can protect it, and screen protectors is number 1 on the list. This is tempered glasses, not only for the front of your iPhone glass, but also for the rear. So unlike most screen protectors, they usually don't have a screen protector made specific for the cameras at the back. So now you ensure that you don't have to worry about scratches and falls for the front and rear of your camera. Super easy to apply. It comes with a plastic applicator device where you simply drop on your iPhone, you pop in the tempered glass, and there's absolutely no air bubbles at all, and everything is done in under 30 seconds. Now you can actually purchase this specific set of tempered glass protectors for your iPhone for under $18 on Amazon. Now this next accessory is made for filmmakers and vloggers. It's a tripod made specifically for phones that also acts as a selfie or vlog stick. Now, one of the main advantages of this is that it comes with a cold shoe mount where you can also mount external accessories like microphones or LED lights. But it makes vlogging and filmmaking such a breeze where you don't have to worry about getting your hand in the way of the camera, and your shots are more stable as you can actually lay it flat and film from far away. Now, there's so many use cases for this Ulanzi tripod. I personally have used it to make a lot of shorts, and I also use it to prop up my camera when I'm using it as my webcam for my MacBook. I actually made a video on how to do that. If you're not familiar with that, you can find it right here, but it is so versatile and it's well worth the money, and you can get it on Amazon for under $25. Now, speaking of cold shoe accessories, this next accessory is the Vision LED light, and that will grip onto any cold shoe mount, especially the Ulanzi tripod that I just mentioned. This is a dream for video makers, especially those who are worried about lighting conditions and confined spaces. You don't have to worry about artificial lighting or natural sunlight with this. It comes with multiple settings, so both warm and cool colors, and it's also dimmable, so it's not super bright at all times. Now, the Vision LED can be found on Amazon for under $25, and it's a great supplement to the Ulanzi tripod. And now for the moment of truth, the final accessory is this thing right here. And if you're wondering what it is, it's actually a cleaning kit for your iPhone and Android devices. If you ever felt that your iPhone speakers or Android speakers were sounding muffled, and your voice quality has been affected, and charging seems to be an issue where you plug in the cable and it's not charging, it's probably because you have dirt and grime built up in those charging ports and speaker ports. Now, with this accessory kit, you can actually use 6 different tools to target all those areas to make it look brand new and functional all over again. Not only does this make your phone look brand new and sound better and look better, but it's actually quite satisfying getting all that dirt off your phone and just making it look new again. Now, for AirPod owners specifically, have you ever put in your AirPods and you feel like the charging case isn't charging them? It's probably because there's lots of dirt and grime in there too. And with this kit, there's actually a special brush made to clean that case too. So this is well worth the money, and you can actually find this on Amazon for under $20. And that's it, guys. Those are my 5 recommended accessories. Let me know if there's an accessory that I haven't talked about. I'll be sure to touch on it on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and until next time, peace.